Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today, we're talking about how to make your Windows 10 desktop feel like your own. Whether you want a fresh wallpaper, snazzy icons, or just to clean up the clutter, this guide will help you personalize your PC. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk wallpapers. A great wallpaper can completely transform the look of your desktop. Kind of like redecorating a room, but without all the furniture assembly. Anywhere on your desktop, of course avoiding icons, right-click and select Personalize. This opens up the personalized settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Background. From here, you can choose a picture from your computer, or you can just choose one of Windows' default options. Next, you can select a solid color. Just simple and clean, whatever color you would like. Next, you can select Slideshow. You can just rotate through a folder of pictures that you select. It's great for indecisive folks who can't pick just one, kind of like me. And you can change how often the pictures change, whether that be every 30 minutes or every day. And if you want the pictures to be shown randomly or in order, by the toggle there. You can also adjust the fitting size of the picture. Lastly, you can choose Windows Spotlight, which pretty much Windows chooses a photo for you. Pick something that you'll like. After all, you'll be staring at it for a long while. Now let's tidy up and revamp those icons. Think of it as decluttering your digital desk. So what you'll want to do is right-click on your desktop and select Personalize if you're not already there. Go to Themes on the left-hand side there and click Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings there on the right. From here, you can add or remove system icons like this PC, the recycle bin, or network. You can rearrange icons as well. You can click and drag icons to new locations on the desktop. Channel your interior designer. If you want them aligned perfectly, right-click on the desktop, hover over View, and toggle Align Icons to Grid. Or you can change the icon size by right-clicking on the desktop, hovering over View, and choose small, medium, or large icons. Go small, go large, it's up to you. Next, let's add a pop of color or go for a full theme makeover. Right-click your desktop and select Personalize if you're not already there. Click on Colors on the left-hand side. Choose an accent color or let Windows pick one based on your wallpaper. You can also toggle dark mode if you're feeling sleepy and mysterious, or just want to save your eyes at night. In the Personalize menu, click Themes. Choose from Windows default themes or download new ones from the Microsoft Store. This could change your wallpaper, sounds, and accent colors all in one go. It's kind of like dressing up your computer for a special occasion. Sometimes the best customization is organization. Virtual desktops let you keep work, gaming, and personal stuff separate. You can go down to the taskbar right here to open the task view. Click New Desktop at the top to create a new virtual desktop. And then you can switch between desktop easily by using the task view. It's like having multiple workspaces without the need for multiple monitors. Finally, let's talk cursors. Because why settle for the default arrow when you could have something more fun? For this, you'll want to go down to the Start button in the lower left-hand corner, select Settings or the gear icon. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Devices, and then click on mouse on the left hand side. And then you want to click on additional mouse options under related settings. In the new window, click on the pointers tab. They have a variety of options you can choose from, and select the pointer scheme and then press OK when you have picked one out. It's a small detail, but hey, sometimes the little things make all the difference. And there you have it, a fully customized, personalized Windows 10 desktop. Whether you're keeping it simple or going all out, these tips will help you make your PC feel like home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.